Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how to delete and close Gmail account on iPhone. To delete your Gmail account on your iPhone, there are two main ways you can go about it. The first method is to simply remove the Gmail account from your device without fully deleting the account itself. To do this, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Then, go to the Mail section and tap on Accounts. From there, you'll see the Gmail account listed. Tap on that Gmail account, and at the bottom you'll see an option to Delete Account. Tap that, and the Gmail account will be removed from your iPhone. The second method is to completely delete the Gmail account itself, not just remove it from your device. For this, you'll need to open up the Gmail app on your iPhone. Sign in to the account you want to delete, then tap on the profile icon in the top right corner. Select Manage your Google account from the menu. This will take you to your Google account settings. Go to the Data and Privacy tab and scroll down to the bottom where you'll see an option to delete your account. Tap on that. Enter your account password, and then you can fully delete the Gmail account. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.